Welcome to vStellar. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to easily create no-code UI test cases using vStellar Studio. Let's dive in. Start by creating a new test suite. Select UI as the test type, since we're automating UI tests today. Name your test suite and hit Create. You'll find the newly created suite inside the Test Suite folder in the Project Explorer. Click on the test suite to open it. You'll notice two view options, Collapse and Expand. This gives you flexibility in how you view and organize your test steps. Now let's add some essential details. Start by entering the test suite title, then the URL of the website you want to test. Once you hit enter, Studio will embed the URL for you. As you interact with the screen, vStellar automatically begins creating locators. You don't need to worry about this as it's all done for you. Next, let's tag your test suite. Go to the UI folder and assign a tag like regression. You can assign multiple tags by pressing enter after each one. vStellar has a test data section where you'll find all the available locators for your project. In this project, I have a demo.json file and a test data file. You can choose an existing locator file or create a new one if needed. Now let's create a test scenario. Enter a scenario name, then assign tags. You can assign multiple tags for better organization. Now let's begin with adding steps. For the action step, there are multiple options available that you can select from, like click, scroll, maximize, or minimize. For our first scenario, we'll navigate to the website. When you choose the navigation action, the URL you entered earlier auto-populates. Let's add an assertion that the user verifies the URL of the page. As you navigate to the website, the assertion will confirm that the URL remains the same. Now let's interact with the page. Let's say you want to click on the Explore Studio button. You can search for the click action, and vStellar will bring you back to the embedded website. To add a click action, hold the Option key and press click. When you click on anything in the browser, multiple locators will be created. You can also choose the locator you want to use. If you prefer to use the default locator, just click Save Locator. A pop-up will appear where you can assign a name, choose a locator type, and specify its file. You can even create a new file here, click Save, and now your locator is saved. Feel free to add more scenarios. For example, let's create a scenario where the user closes the browser window. Once done, click Save. Go to the code editor, and here you'll see all the information you've added, the tags you assigned at the suite level, the scenario title, scenario tags, and the actions you've saved. Now it's time to run the test suite. Copy the tag, go to the runner file, select the test suite file, and paste the tag, and click Update. In vStellar Studio, you have multiple options to run the test. You can click the play button to execute the test, or you can run it through the build config. Once you run the test, the execution process starts, and you'll see that the scenario has passed. And that's it. You've just created UI test cases using the no-code record and playback feature in vStellar Studio.